Lead is 10. Parks looking at Ravenna. Escapes. Bounce inside. Aram nearly lost it. Shot clock at 4. That's balling. No. Oh, look at that.
Pero Putin, we're coming back on defense.
Tres.
No, we need a timeout.
Yaksa knocking in his first three-pointer. His first set of points in the game. The lead is down to 7.
It's a real battle right now. Matagal pa ito. And that's a foul, pero wala yata sa penalty ang Indonesia.
Young committed that foul. You're right. It's second team foul.
Second team foul pa lamang, dalawa pa yun. And you can see the Indonesian team, they're beginning to cheer, no? Yung kanilang an offensive foul pa, tinawag ng referee.
Ravenna.
Wow. All of a sudden, we're collapsing here. You're going to call a timeout.
Yes, Norman is about to. He was signaling the bench. The scorer's table actually. 128, 7-point lead.
Alam mo, may 3-point shot ang bago basketball, kaya mabilis eh. Saka we got into penalty early in this quarter.
Yeah. Ball will be kept by Indonesia.
That's good luck. Without fouling, because we do not want to foul this guy no matter what.
He's been shooting well from the free throw
He
line.
hasn't missed.
Watch Xaviero here. He might be the recipient, but there's a lot of time on the Indonesian shot clock. 13.
Look at where Bolick is defending because that's the number one rule. Defend the basket. Yung mga backpack yan. Tulad yan, hit me sa akin. Nahuli na si Aram. Natawagan ng foul si Bobby Ray Fox and that's free throw shot.
Anong senyas ng referee? Parang
Foul.
offensive foul.
Offensive foul ba yun? Tingnan natin. No, they called the foul in us. I saw the signal of Bobby Ray.
Oh, yeah, kaya nga. And the lead is down to 6.
We are folding up and that's why that timeout has to be called. Guys are playing too much with the game rather than the game itself.
That's a good point. Well said, Dr. J. 1:13 to go. Timeout taken. Will allow the Philippines to handle up. From a high of 14, it's down to 6. And this will not
Hindi pala ano
not
yun.
the way, so.
Parang ano
It was a
naman.
technical.
Free throw.
Oh.
Free throw na naman.
Xaviero looking for it. Ball will stay there, though.
That's just a two-possession game with 1 minute and 13 seconds left.
And keep in mind, the Indonesians have a 3-point shot. Inbound. Xaviero will try to hustle his way again.
They help us to come.
Yes, he scores.
They help Dylan come.
He has 22.
He hasn't scored for a while, but again, we allowed them just to get the ball all the way there. They have made a big comeback. That 12-point lead, 14-point lead is gone. It's only 4 right now. That's a foul.
No, it's a foul.
Not yet in
Just the third.
yeah. Isa pa. Kung hindi natawagan yun, backing pa yan.
Oh,
Mababacking pa tayo. Pumunta pa yung paa na sa likod.
Yung Timipali Bolic dito.
Watch this. Oh, mapupunta. Oh, yung high step. Kung hindi tinawagan ng foul yun, mababacking pa tayo.
Less than a minute.
Give it up. Oops.
Lost. Regain.
Ako, foul si Era. Take 2 tayo yan. Take 2 yan. We have not gotten the calls here in the end game. There was a clear push on Bobby Ray Parks and there was no call. And let's see who did they call. Nag-uusap pa nga ito mga ito. Pero kasi pumaul rin si Aram after yung foul. mga bata na referee pa. No? So like I said, they will do a good job, but all of a sudden, medyo nagpabayaan na sila ng tawagan. Eh.
Lumaylay yung laro eh.
There's the lead referee there. Oh, so the foul is called against them. It will mean free throw shots para sa atin. Kala niya, pumaul si Eram. Dahil nakita mo talaga pumaul si Eram pagkatapos ng foul nila eh.
Ito pa senior ito, no?
Ito ang crew chief. It's clear that he's the crew chief. They're not getting the penalty pala. So we do have a fresh 14-second shot clock. And substitution here.
Lalabas si Ravena.
Matthew Wright is there. Because we might expect them to start fouling in a while. And you want good free throw shooters. Only 30 has missed. But 30 is 3 out of 4 from the free throw line.
Down to the final buzzer.
Kaya kahawakan ng muna ni Golic. But we only have 10 seconds left on the shot clock.
Bolic starts his drive. Step back three. No. Ball is in the hand of Indonesia. Moments here. Philippines not get out of it.
No, not only that. That's unsportsmanlike ang tinawag niya. Free throw siya plus possession.
Possession. Norman Black is talking to the referees as well.
They'll review that. If that's the correct call. We call that a sportsmanlike foul. We may call a foul. I-review yun. Parang kulang-kulang i-challenge na niya yun.
70-66 with 22 seconds remaining.
Ang tagal natin napako dito. I mean, look at this. This step back, no place at all, you know. Ball never left his hand. Malonzo's waiting for that pass.
It looked like tinamaan ni Parks parang hindi rin.
Ang masama dyan, sumenyas ka agad ng ano yun eh, ng unsportsmanlike
Kasi
foul.
ducking.
Oo.
Nagkabuhol sila sa ilalim. Pero makukuha ng Indonesia yung bola rito eh. Yun o. He's able to escape pa nga. He seems to be falling on his own.
Well, let them make the decision.
This game going into extension.
Ay, sana pinakita natin inalis eh. Inalis eh. So we can see we call an unsportsmanlike foul tuloy. Kasi parang hindi conclusive. So they call an unsportsmanlike foul. Kaya all of a sudden, nag-iba yung tawagan lahat. And you know, kasalanan rin natin yan, nakabalik sila eh.
We did not manage the clock. Eh.
And we stopped playing.
Exactly.
We had some easy layups. You're passing the ball yet. Kaya inabot tayo ng mga mintis o mga ano. But anyway, the game is far from over. We still have, we have to make some free throws. And we still have a stop to make. Ito na yung crowd na makikita mo. Magagamit mo yung crowd.
Gregita.
At saka na ano na, out na si Bobby Ray Parks. Kasi ano na, baka out.
Has always had a good shot from the outside. Gregita with 8 points.
30, by the way, has been put back into the ball game.
Lead is 3. Indonesia will have possession into this.
Look at that comeback that they have made. They're down by 14. We were cruising with 4 minutes to go. And we have stopped scoring. Now we don't need any other bad calls made here against us anymore. Because remember, we've gotten into the penalty early here. And we don't want to foul. We don't want to reach in, just play.
Chaviano receiving. They're taking 3 here. But they drive. They take out. They're boxed in. Got it. Lost it. Lost it. Shot not by
Pinapapaw na ng coach nila kasi hindi nakatira. Ang ganda ng depensa ni Masan, hindi siya kumagat sa paint. Tumoy fake si Dagny pero hindi siya kumagat. Dagny.
At si Jante, ilalabas niya talaga. Hindi niya ilalabas yun eh. That drive niya eh.
Kasi gusto niya mapunta sa free throw line. Yeah. Get this shot. Was good defense. Aram's back there. Yes. So we gotta get the ball either to a Macho right, maybe Bolick, Aram. And then 30. Kapag si Aram, magaling na mag-free throw yan, pagkailangan. Ang problema, sino mag-i-inbound para sa atin? This is the crucial thing. Remember here, 7.2, we can throw it from their back, their front court natin. Para medyo malayo. Umaagaw na nila, malayo. But we have to make a good inbound here and get the ball to the right guy. I would like to get the ball to Matthew. I think he's a pretty good free throw shooter. Dahil wala na si Bago Ray. And then maybe you look at Tony. Yan lang mga gusto natin makatanggap yan.
Undecided. Everything in this game except a result.
Time out ulit. Ginamit na lahat ng time out. Ang hindi nakapaglaro ngayong araw si Justin Chua at si Trey. Pero hindi, semi-finals ito eh. Para makapasok ka sa finals eh. Meron pa mga tie plugs din, mga tie. 8 o'clock pa game nila, nandiyan na sila.
Dumating na. Manood na tayo ng women's game. Kasi may game pa rin kanina yung ano eh. Yung women's.
Nanalo tayo kanina.
Yes.
Good for us. Congrats, Pat Aquino. Nanalo tayo over Vietnam ba yun?
Pat has done a good job with the women's team.
He's always been, he's always know how to take care of them, you know, how to coach them and motivate them.
Galing ng anak ni Bestie Talise.
We have better players na this year, you know. JC De La Rosa is good. Yung taga-Enyo na si Mistisa, magaling na maglaro yun. And of course, we have April still playing, Bernardino, you know, and Porteos. So we'll throw in here talaga dito tayo. And we just need a good inbound here. Good screening without offensive foul. Natandaan mo si 30 natawagan ng offensive foul kaya nawala yung possession.
Umawak siya eh.
The possession natin. Use your, misusing your red as they say.
Palagay ko decoy si 30.
There's Bolick. They want Bolick to get the ball. Go to the free throw line. Now put in another big man for rebounding purposes if we want.
68, 7.3 seconds before we end this game.
Now we need a big man. We need somebody to rebound. We better put this in. Because we need at least a 3-point advantage. May timeout pa yata sila and they're going to use it.
.68, 7.3 remaining.
And we still gave them life. We had put in two, wala nang buhay yun. Mas Aaron. Because Aaron has a tendency to show and sometimes fouls. And you don't want to do that. Here you just want to be able to follow your man and challenge properly. Now, if you give them a layup underneath the basket and they use a clock, you give that to them, that's only 2 points. You're up by 3. The thing you don't want to do is give up a 2 and 1 or a 3-point shot.
And they will most likely foul when you get the ball back.
Yeah, it's okay. Advantage ka dun.
Indonesia. Yaksa. Will they go for a 3? They're trying to shut that up. The pass. The setup. The shot. No.
Tinawagan na foul?
No. I think we are out of time. There.
Ay, kumamay na yung ano. Kala ko tumawag pa ng foul.
I think we are out of time in the Philippines.
That was good.